Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Epson Workforce ES-865 color duplex document scanner on your computer wirelessly or with the USB cable. So if this is a brand new scanner, you can initially set up your scanner, like you can unplug the you can unbox your scanner, you can power on your scanner, and then you can connect the USB if you want to connect the scanner with the computer using USB cable. So this is all the instruction given in the installation guide that you have got when you bought this scanner. You must have got this installation guide with this scanner. So once the scanner is initially set up and now it's ready to set up on the computer, so you can use it, you need to go to the epson.com website to download the software. So when you go to the epson.com website, click on the support tab and then click on the scanner icon right here. When you click on the scanner icon, you will see a search box. That's where you have to type the name of your scanner. So you can simply type 865 and you will see that it will appear in the drop down below. So you need to click on that one, and now you will see this scanner, and this is all the instruction, and you will also click on the download here, and that's where you can choose your operating system. If you have Windows computer, you can select Windows, whichever Windows you have, like Windows 11 or Windows 10. You can scroll down. If you have other than Windows, like Mac computer, you can select your operating system, and in my case I'm going to select Windows 10 and I'll click go. Now I will see the driver here. You can see the driver and utilities combos package installer. I'll click on download. So you need this driver in your computer so that the scanner can work from your computer. Once this driver is downloaded at the top right corner in the browser, you need to double click on that downloaded file from here, and it will start the setup of your scanner. So this is how it's done. This is how it is set up on the computer. You can use your scanner either wirelessly or with the USB cable. So I'll also link the driver and the installation guide in the video description, so you can also click in the description the link and download the software for your scanner in your computer. So if you have any question, you can also type in the comment box below and I'll help you. Thank you.